Today we're introducing you to Millcreek, Utah. So let's just hop right on into it. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your very first time here, I'm Laura Rosequist and I'm a licensed realtor here in the state of Utah. This channel is everything about eating, sleeping, working, and most importantly, living here in Utah. Now, we're going to be touching upon everything that you need to know about selling a home, buying a home, the pros and cons. We'll take you on property tours and we'll talk about the market statistics and how the market is doing here in Utah. So if this is something that is of interest to you, go ahead and subscribe and ring that bell. We are updating and posting new content on a weekly basis. Millcreek, Utah, it's a hidden gem nestled just outside of Salt Lake City to the south. It offers a perfect blend of suburban tranquility and urban convenience. So if you're seeking a community that offers both natural beauty and modern amenities, Millcreek just might be the place that you've been looking for. So imagine waking up to breathtaking views of the Wasatch Mountains every morning. In Millcreek, the stunning natural landscapes are just one of the many perks. Outdoor enthusiasts will love the close proximity to Millcreek Canyon, which is just on 3800 South and just above Wasatch. And it's a paradise for hiking, biking, picnicking in the summer. It's an excellent spot for snowshoeing and cross-country skiing in the wintertime. This area is lush with a lot of greenery and scenic trails, making it a haven for, nature lovers. Many properties feature large yards up here. It's perfect for families who love spending time outdoors. The prices in Millcreek can vary, but generally you can expect to find homes in the $450,000, range down lower. But as you get higher on the hill up by Olympus Cove, you could plan on spending millions of dollars up there. Now, a lot of the homes up there are older. There are some newer builds in the past 10-15 years, but for the most part they are older, but they have amazing views. So the price will depend on the size, the age, the location of the property. Now, the community of Millcreek is a welcoming and tight-knit place. It's a place where neighbors, they know each other. There are local events and festivals that bring people together. There's a strong emphasis on community engagement with plenty of local parks, community centers, and it's family-friendly amenities. The city also places a high value on education, so it has access to some of the best public and private schools in the area. Let's talk about some of the pros and cons of living in Millcreek. So some of the pros would be the proximity to nature. You're just right up there at the base of the mountain. The Olympus mountain is right up there. So this whole area is known as Olympus Cove area. So you are close to the canyons, natural attractions. It's ideal for our outdoor activities. So it is a convenient location. It's just minutes from downtown Salt Lake City. So it makes commuting and city outings pretty easy. There are diverse housing options available with a wide range of homes from mid-century, modern to contemporary builds. And Millcreek is a tight-knit community with regular local events that focus on family-friendly living. Again, I mentioned schools. It has excellent schools. They are top-rated, and they are public, and you have private options as well. Now, there are higher property prices compared to the west side of the Salt Lake Valley and the other suburban areas, but it has a quieter nightlife seen compared to downtown Salt Lake City and places like Sugar House that is trendy and has an active nightlife. And winter, yes, we have winter up here with lots of snow. So you can, the winter snow can require maintenance such as snow shoveling and hiring snow removal out, or you could just go buy your own snow blower. But overall, Millcreek, Utah offers some of the most laid-back and vibrant living experiences with a balance of beauty and natural landscapes with the convenience of the urban life, if that's what you're looking for. Now, if you're looking for a place where you can enjoy the great outdoors and connecting with a welcoming community, you have all of the modern amenities you need right here in Millcreek as a great choice. So if you are considering a move to Utah, or within Utah, feel free to reach out to me by email, text, phone, or you can actually scan the QR code on the banner if you're on a desktop. And my website has a lot of good information on it. It includes maps, property searches, blog articles, and a lot more. And if you are planning on a move out here, I made a free guide for you. So go ahead and comment guide in the comments, and I will go ahead and give you a link to my free Moving to Utah guide. And if you are not planning on moving to Utah, but plan on maybe moving somewhere else in the country, go ahead and get a hold of me anyway. I'm well connected with realtors throughout the country. We meet up once a year to a big summit, and we update each other on what's working, what's not working, what's the latest trends in marketing and staging. So go ahead and subscribe to this channel and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any good information. And meanwhile, have a great day and follow me on the next video.